To study the minor and cofactor of elements of determinant, let A be the determinant having entries A11, A12, A13 as a first row, A21, A22, A23 as a second row, and A31, A32, A33 as a third row. There is a trick to keep these rows and column in mind. A11 we can say A11, A12, A13. In second row A21, A22, A23. Third row we can say that A31, A32, A33. Definition of minor. The minor of Aij, it is defined as the determinant obtained by eliminating the ith row and jth column of A. That is, the row and the column that contain the element Aij are omitted. We denote the minors of the element Aij by Mij. In the case of above determinant, determinant A has a minor in the following way. Minor of Aij is equal to Mij, that we know that. Here in determinant, the first element A11, the minor of A11 is equal to M11, which is equal to, we have to eliminate A11 and see, that is eliminate first row and first column. Whatever the here we can see the remaining determinant is first row A22, A23, second row A32, A33. Solving for the determinant value, A22 into A33 minus A32 into A23. Now consider the minor for A12. That is, we have to hide the first row and second column. You will get the minor of A12, that is M12, that is A21, A23, A31, A33. Solving the values for the determinant, A21 into A33 minus A31 into A23. Now we have to find the minor of A13, that is first row, third column. Here the first row and the third column. We can able to see the minor of A13, that is M13, is equal to determinant of first row A21, A22 and the second row A31, A32. And solving the value for the determinant, A21 into A32 minus A31 into A22. Here we have calculated M11, M12, M13. We can also able to make the values for M21, M22, M23, and for the third row M31, M32 and M33. So it is very easy to find out the minor value by hiding the number where appear Ij, ith row and jth column. Let's understand the above concept with the help of one example. A is a 2 by 2 determinant. First row AB and second row CD. The minor of A is D is equal to M11. We get this D by eliminating the row containing A and the column containing A. Minor of B is C is equal to M12. That means first row we have to hide and second column because the B has a position first row and in second column. Similarly, we can find the minor of C is equal to B, that is M21. Now here last element D, the minor of D is A, that is hiding D, that means we have to hide second row and second column. You will get A is equal to M22. Coefficient of Aij is a very easy concept. I and j are the numbers. We can add it. Here, the coefficient of Aij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. That is, we have to say minus 1 raised to I plus j into minor of Aij. And the coefficient of Aij is denoted by Cij. Therefore, the coefficient of Aij is equal to Cij is equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Let's see this what we learn in the form of example. A, that is given determinant, we have solved for the minors. Minor of A is D, M11, minor of B is C, M12, it is 12. The minor of C is B, M21, and the minor of D is A, M22. Using this information in the coefficient of A, you get minus 1 raised to A has the position A11. That means in determinant it is in first row and first column. So coefficient of A is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 M11. We know that minor of A is D. Therefore, substituting this value in the formula, minus 1 raised to 2 into D is equal to D. Here we can find the coefficient of B is equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 M12 is equal to minus 1 raised to 3 into C. As we have seen, the C12 means first row, second column is equal to, as minus 1 raised to 3 means minus, so the answer is minus C. Now consider the second row and first column, that is 21. The coefficient of C is equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 M21 minus 1 raised to 3 into B, that is C21 is equal to minus B. Now the fourth last element, the coefficient of D, that is 2 position, second row and second column, minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 M22, that is equal to minus 1 raised to 4 into A. Therefore, C22 is equal to A. Today we have learned two concepts, minor and the coefficient of an element. Here we can find the minor and the coefficient of for each element.